Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Carmen from the Pflugerville Public Library. I'm very happy to come in your homes today to do baby time. Yes, we are already in May. Have you guys seen flowers? Yes, at the park, everywhere. Awesome. Yes, you know it's spring and then we will have summer. We are all gonna have a big time during summer too. But for today, let's get started with our The More We Get Together song. Don't forget to sign with me. More, together, happy, your friends and my friends. You guys are ready? Oh, the more we get together, together, together. Oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. Oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Very good. You guys are ready to do it again? You heard the words. Now you can do it with me, okay? The more we get together, together, together. Oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. Oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Very good. Very well, guys. I brought two friends, two black bears. Can you count them? 1, 2. Can you guys count them in español conmigo? 1, 2. And the word for bear is oso. 1, 2 osos negros, black. 2 osos negros. Good job. We're going to do something similar to the two black birds that you guys already know, but this is with the bears. You guys are ready? Two black bears sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Run away, Jack. Run away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Very good. Can we try something different? All right. Two black bears digging in the snow. One named Fast, one named Slow. Run away fast, run away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. Very good. And one last one. Two black bears feeling very proud. One named Quiet and one named Loud. Run away quiet, run away loud. Come back loud, come back quiet. Very good. All right, boys and girls, dads and moms, let's stand up and we're gonna do an action rhyme. This is the teddy bear action rhyme. And you probably do that at home too, so let's just have fun together. Ready? Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, jump up high. Teddy bear, look at the sky. Teddy bear, dance very slow. Teddy bear, bend down low. Teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, turn off the light. Teddy bear, go. Shh. Good night. All right, guys, look. I have 5 friends with me. 5 amigos. 5 osos. ¿Los contamos en español? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 osos. Ready? We're gonna say a rhyme with them. Put your fingers out. You have them out? High five. Good job. Leave your hand up. 5 little bears sitting on a wall. The first one said, let's take a look around. The second one said, oh, I feel rather funny. The third one said, I think I smell honey. The fourth one said, shall we climb up a tree? And the fifth one said, look out, there is a bee. Bzz. little bears went away and decided to wait until the bee went away. There you go. You can do that at home. When you have a chance, you might want to read these two books. This one is I Love My Tutu Too, and this is by Ross Brack. And I also have Pick a Bruise by Ryan T. Higgins. Both of these books are amazing. I hope you check them out sometime. In I Love My Tutu Too, the little penguin goes around asking his friends if they like it or they would wear one. And they do. Most of them end up wearing tutus too. And it also introduces numbers and colors. Pick a Bruise is the story of a bear who doesn't want to do anything that day. He just wants to be left alone. So he goes away and hides. And when he hides, without knowing, he starts a peekaboo game. It's really fun, and I hope you guys read it sometime. And he's hiding from the little goslings. Two very good options to check out. I want to thank Jesse Davis from our communications team. He always helps me with these videos, and I appreciate it. And we're gonna sing our goodbye song, and I hope to see you sometime soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon on another day.